Hey guys, and welcome back to All Cubers. This is my unboxing of the GMS 2x2. Okay, now let's get into it. So it looks like it has a bit of, holy cow, plastic wrap on the outside. So let's just get this off. Just put that off to the side. There we go. Pretty sure that's all the plastic wrap. Oh, still more. Anyway, let's get this nice looking box opened. And here is the 2x2 itself. It is also wrapped in plastic. Okay, here's the 2x2. Looks like they got a little excited with the lube, but yeah, let's try it out. Ugh. I'm gonna get a paper towel. I'll be right back. Okay, so gotta be prepared. I might start having a paper towel when I do these unboxing videos. Put that off to the side. And yeah, first turns, it turns pretty well. Yeah, definitely a lot better than my old one. Just listen to that. Kind of has, it has magnets, as you can see. It's actually my first magnetic 2x2. My other one was non-magnetic. Yeah, it turns pretty darn well. Here, let's just quick solve. And 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, honestly, first impressions are it turns pretty well. It kind of has this bumpy type feel, like bumpy, like it's like the magnets are kind of weird. It's like, yeah, it just kind of ends up in this kind of state. I think it could be because like there's two magnets, as you can see right down there. There's two magnets in there. So you see 1, 2. And I think that other magnet, like that's right here, is catching or attracting that other magnet in there. But overall, it feels pretty darn good. And yeah, let's just get this out of the way. Close the box. It also comes with a little instruction manual there. Geez, packaging is also kind of insane. Holy cow, this is hard to put back. Let's just stick that right in there. Never touch it again. So it comes with a pamphlet. As you can see, says how to solve the cube. Pause the video if you haven't watched my 2x2 tutorial. Definitely go do that. Yeah. Hope you can read Chinese. Anyway, the cube is pretty nice. Pretty stable. Overall, pretty good. And yeah, you can get this at speedcubeshop. Really great store. I recommend the Pro setup because it's probably better. And yeah, I also have this. It's called Martian from speedcubeshop. Anyway, let's get this opened up. Here we go. It has quite a bit of has a kid-proof cap. Don't want those 2-year-olds sucking on it. And yeah, it's a pretty nice bottle. Comes with this nice, whatever you want to call this thing, and it clicks, just like this 2x2. I'll probably like put this into some of my cubes, like my GAN 356 RS. Wait a minute, there's text. 6 drops, break in, enjoy. Okay, this is also 5 millimeters. If you want to go bigger, then you get 10 or 15. Also, this is also from speedcubeshop. They're a really great store, and I highly recommend them. This 2x2, yeah, it is really good. Hopefully they don't get way too excited about the lube sometimes, and then just, instead of dropping the lube inside the pieces, they just drop the lube on the stickerless plastic. So yeah, pretty good cube, and yeah. I will record some solves of me solving on it, but yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it for the 2x2. I'll do some solves and kind of break it in, and then kind of has that out of the box feel. Also, this kind of weird, but she definitely needs to work on their packaging, because another big cubing brand, ooh, nice corner cutting. Oh no. Ooh, not bad. Oh. Oops. So, yeah, corner cutting is pretty, it's pretty good, but like it can do 45 pretty easily, or actually it kind of struggles with 45, but yeah, so yeah, it just makes this huge snapping sound. Let's test this kind of corner cutting, make sure it has no catching issues. Make sure that one's not existent. Sometimes when you do like intense F moves, it kind of like catches kind of, and it gets like kind of misaligns like that. Yeah, sometimes when you do that on certain cubes, it just kind of catches like that. But luckily this doesn't do that. And I will be trying out this lube. It's actually the first lube I've ever had. Yep. Yeah, pretty good cube. And I'll do some solves and record them. And also, well, yeah, go to the solves. Anyway, this cube is super stable. And yeah, time to do some solves on it and get it broken in. Ooh, not bad. Anyway, time to keep doing solves on it. Here we go. Pretty nice scramble. Here we go, just finishing up that last PBL. Ah, not good. go. And go. Looks like I can make a pretty easy first face. Here we go. Just finishing up that algorithm. Not bad. Better than the last one. Let's go ahead and keep scrambling. Looks like I can make another easy face. Here we go. And go. Overall, the turning of this cube is super smooth, except for that kind of bumpy kind of feel. And yeah, I highly recommend this, and I'll see you guys next time.